But for purposes of us being able to follow his submissions easily, we will want him to make reference to the particular volume of the document he's making reference to, and if possible, refer us to the page so that we're able to move with him.
Council, I thought I've made that position pretty clear.
Sir, I was just about to make reference. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm referring to the bundle of document appearing in blue from the firm of my senior land friend, Mr. Katwa Kigen and Kimboi, marked as DG. That is a response, and again, the document is dated the 10th of March, 2024. Mr. Speaker, I am referring to...
What is the title of that volume, Council?
It's DG. It belongs to the Deputy Governor. It's indicated in black as DG, to mean, I think, Deputy Governor. At page E8, 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 E into brackets 8.
What is the issue, Senator Fernandez?
Mr. Speaker, I had indicated earlier that I had a clarification that I needed to seek under Constitutional Article 71 and then the impeachment procedure bill, impeachment procedure under the standing orders. So I wanted to get your guidance and maybe a ruling, because one of the lawyers that is representing the Deputy Governor of Kisii
Senator Fernandez
happens to be...
Senator Fernandez will come to that. Let the parties...
Okay, thank you.
Positions. Proceed, Council.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I hope the honorable senators are with me. At page 8, paragraph 48, all the way to page 15, paragraph 64. Mr. Speaker.